Shirada MLA and Chairman of Shivgram Educational Society, Subhash Shirodkar, has urged the students to take up science and engineering studies for a better future. Subhash was addressing the gathering after inaugurating the Young Scientists 2019 exhibition organized by Shirada Higher Secondary School in collaboration with Department of Science, Technology and Environment.
Very vibrant exhibition of the young talent of this prestigious institution. Subhash Bhai for the last 30 years has put his full time, energy and his heart and soul into it. And chairman and the entire team je ha tenka हांव congratulate करता, tenka shabaski dita. Especially all the teachers who have put in so much of efforts. Department of Science and Technology, आमचे contribution is very small, but the efforts what they have put, the innovations what the students have shown us, the new techniques and the technology what they have got in their mind is really very touching, and I think we need to promote this.
Goa takes another step in solving its garbage menace. A garbage treatment plant is coming up in Kakoda within 1.5 years' time. The plant will treat around 100 tons of garbage per day and will cost 189 crore rupees. NABARD will finance 75% of the cost and the rest 25% will be borne by contractor. Yet another garbage treatment plant at Bangini is also in the pipeline and is awaiting environmental clearance.
काकोडा म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलान आमकां लँड हँडओव्हर दिला, तेजेर फूल आमी कवर करता. तितून आनीक 20,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स आनीक दिता म्हणून सांगला आमकां, which we have to acquire, and the owner is ready to give us the NOC. But सद्याक जो आता आमकां लँड दिला, that is more than enough to set up this GWMC plant of 100 tons per day.
खंयची एरिया कव्हर करतले?
ना त्याची एरिया खाली काकोरा म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल थिंगा सांगे आहा ते काणकोण, स्पेशली ती आमची कोस्टल बेल्ट आहा थिंगा, तितून हे सायडीची एरिया येतली आमची पार्ट ऑफ पोंडा तालुका विच इन्क्लूड शिरोडा एंड ऑल that.
फोंडा म्युनिसिपल एरिया
ना त्याची आम्ही बांगणी व्हरतले. त्याचे काम स्टार्ट जाता 13 तारीख काम चालू जाता त्याचे 13 डिसेंबराचे.
बांगणी काकोडा
बांगणी will see the light of the day we get environmental clearance.
Kakora, the day it starts, it will take exactly 15 to 16 months.